Guys, so today I thought I'd talk about the Skinfix brand and my favorite and least favorite products. I've got a few products I absolutely love from them and a few products that I really don't like too much. So, they're a cruelty-free brand. They're a little bit pricey, but the nice thing is they're cruelty-free. They tend to use pretty good packaging. They tend to have some nicely formulated products, and a lot of their products are fragrance-free. All of them are really unscented, but there's a difference between unscented and fragrance-free, so I'll get to that in a second. So let me talk about my favorites. Their Skinfix Barrier Lipid Peptide Cream is wonderful. I love the fact that there's a refill for it. It's fragrance-free. It's a great moisturizer for dry skin, and I really love it and enjoy it. And to be honest, the Protini, I really loved it. However, this became a nice alternative to it. It's got a similar texture, a little bit more hydrating, which is great, but lots of good ingredients. So this one is a winner. And what I really love that Skinfix did is recently they came out with a niacinamide gel cream for oilier skin types, and I'm really actually enjoying it. I think this spring and summer I'll use it even more. Got lots of niacinamide in there, which is great for acne-prone skin. Fragrance-free, great one for oilier combo skin types. It's another one. Also has airless jar with refills. So I really like the brands that are doing refills now. And it's also seemed to be kind of popular where a lot of brands that do makeup are doing refills for like lipsticks. Lipstick is a big thing now. We've got packaging refills for lipsticks now. So that's interesting to see. Although a lot of those brands have really expensive packaging for their lipsticks like Gucci and whatever, things like that. So. Okay, next up, I've been using this hand cream for years. This is actually, interestingly, one of the things that got me interested in skincare altogether. My sister-in-law got me, for Christmas, a little Birchbox. This was years ago, and Birchbox was good. And that was really like my first introduction, and they had a little sample of the Skinfix hand cream, fell in love, and really kind of got more into skincare from there. But their hand cream is just amazing. It's expensive, but it's not greasy. I apply a light layer to the backs of my hands before bed, and it does a good job. So really enjoy their hand cream. If you can get it like in a beauty box, it's even better because it's a little pricey. Okay, next up, Skinfix has a few cleansers. I really love their body cleanser. It's wonderful for sensitive dry skin. It's an oil-based cleanser. Their face oil-based cleanser is wonderful. Their foaming clay cleanser is also pretty nice, more geared towards oilier skin types. I prefer the oil cleanser over it, but they're both equally wonderful. And what I love about their oil cleanser is a lot of times when I'm feeling kind of lazy, it does it all in one step. So you don't necessarily feel like you have a residue left over where you need a second cleanser, although it never hurts to use a second step cleanser. Their hydrating oil cleanser is wonderful. The one for face and body, they're both great. Okay, so one of their newer products, their 2% BHA Azelaic acid acne spot treatment is wonderful, great. Spot treatment for breakouts. Salicylic acid is a great proven fighter, as well as Azelaic acid. It's also fragrance-free and a little pricey, but worth checking out. And I love the inclusion of Azelaic acid. It is such an amazing ingredient that I really didn't use until several years into my skincare journey that I found Azelaic acid and really love it. So, okay. Also love their Barrier Lipid Boost Body Cream. It's more like a body butter. It's super thick. It's, again, fragrance-free, contains lots of good ingredients. It's super thick, so if you have very dry skin, it's a winner. Sometimes in the winter, I'll layer like a light moisturizer, and then I'll apply this over it. Sometimes I'll just apply this to very dry areas, or sometimes this is the only one I use when my skin's really dry. So worth checking out, fragrance-free. Okay, then I've got a couple other products I really like. Their Lipid Peptide Lotion was wonderful. Their Jelly Serum's great. Their 360 Eye Cream is nice as well. Those are worth checking out. Not favorites, don't hate them, don't love them. They're good, though. Okay, so a few that I dislike. I used to love their Barrier Lip Repair Balm, and something recently changed. I don't know what changed, but I don't love it. It feels less hydrating than it used to, and I really can't use it. Like, at night, I like to use a really thick lip balm and then go to bed. This one just isn't thick enough. My lips, I wake up and they're still a little bit dry, so didn't love this one, but I used to love it, so I'm not sure. Something changed, and I just don't know what it was, but anyway. Okay, next up, their dark spot corrector. Didn't love this one. Not a fan of the citrus ingredients they included. Not the most state-of-the-art skin brightener. If you have really tough hyperpigmentation, there are better products. The Regimen Lab Level Serum's great. The Topicals Faded is great. This one just didn't quite deliver for my expectations. So, I didn't love it. And especially given the price, I think this one's really expensive. And then also from the same, the 2% BHA cleanser, which at one point had a sticker under, or it had a label under it that said BHA and azelaic acid. I don't know why they put the sticker, but whatever. I found this one to be more drying. It's certainly probably geared towards acne-prone, oily skin types. So the fact that I found this to be a little drying probably isn't a big deal. But if you have dry skin, this one might not be worth checking out. Some people love it. I just didn't have the best luck with it. And then their scrubs, I just don't love their scrubs. They have a lot of their body scrub, face scrub, blah, 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 whatever. And they all have a little bit of citrus ingredients, which I just didn't love. So, anyway, there we go. I put links to all the favorites below. Interested in hearing from you guys. Somebody mentioned the other day that they're going to launch at, I think, Sephora in Australia. So, I'm interested if they keep the same ingredient list or not. So, I don't know. Anyway, so those are my favorites from Skinfix. Interested in hearing from you guys if you've tried anything from them. What you loved, what you didn't love. So definitely leave a comment. They definitely do a good job with their packaging. It's really nice. So yeah, I guess it should be nice because they're in their third packaging incarnation now. So yeah, when they left Ulta, now they're here. They rebranded everything and repackaged it all. So their body lotions are great. Anyway. There we go. So leave a comment. Love hearing from you guys and stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.